This is my 3-cell battery, 4200, and these are my motors. I set up as clockwise and counterclockwise. These ESCs are 30 amperes, and my Raspberry Pi I bought from the USA. I connect 4 wires on it. 5 wires on it. One of these is ground, and 4 wires are GPIO. One ground branch 4 wires to ground connection of ESCs. These yellow wires are ground, but not this. My ground pin is this. My GPIOs are 17, 18, 28, and 22. I reserved these 4 pins for gyroscope. And let's power the Raspberry Pi from USB. Oops, I disconnect HDMI cable. And I open port for VNC, and on my own computer I set up real VNC for my Raspberry Pi IP. Yes, I know my password is default password for P. And let's see my Pi code. My Pi code is in GPIO folder in my Raspberry Pi. Yeah, multi ESC.py. This is not my code. I added from any coders. I'm not a coder. For start, I should write call and then press enter for calling calibration function. Battery should be disconnected when pressing enter after writing call. Let's run my Python code. Yeah, battery should be disconnected. Right now, let's write call and press enter. Yeah, let's connect the battery and press enter. motors are running. Q and I to decrease. And if we write stop, it will stop. Doot doot. You can download my code from GitHub and you can write in a comment what you want to ask.